In this video, we're going to show you how to move objects in Vectric Spark. To move an object, you can either double click on the object or select the transform option here and then click on the object you want to move. And then you would need to click and drag the anchor point in the center of the object to move it. It can be helpful to turn on the ruler option here to see where you are moving the object in the project. You can see here currently that the X0 and Y0 position is set to the center of the material. This is because this is set as default for any new project, and to change this you will need to go to the sheet setup here. If you want more information on how to do this, I would recommend watching the tutorial video that goes through the sheet setup. If you wish to be more precise when moving an object, you can also click on the anchor point in the center. You can see that you have the option to enter the X and Y value position of the center of the object. So for example, if I want this to be in the center, I can enter 0 here and then in Y 0 and press enter, and you can see now that the object has moved to the center of the material, which is X0, Y0. And again, say we want the X value to be 2 and the Y value to be 2.5, I can press enter and it will move the center of the object to that position in the project. Another helpful option for moving objects in the software is to use the grid option here. As you can see, we now have a grid of dots across the project, and we can now use this to snap the center of the object too. So currently we have this set up to 0.5 inch increments, but if we wanted these increments to be more or less, we can go to the Spark menu here, go to Settings, and go to Tools and Input, and you can see here we have the option to change the grid spacing. So for example, if we want the spacing to be closer, we can put 0.25 inches and click out of here, and you can see now that the spacing between the grid has reduced. And this can be really useful when moving objects in the software. I hope you have found this tutorial video helpful going through how to move objects in Vectric Spark.